We are essentially changing people's perspective on how they should invest.
While on one hand it's great seeing 15 crore, 20 crore assets being sold in 1 hour, we are conscious that it was only 15 CR and 20 CR. I think the surreal feeling will come when 500 crore asset gets sold within a day.
So actually Steve Jobs has this saying, like, you can connect the dots only looking backwards. So a lot of things actually happened. So my last startup didn't work out, and that was late 2016. Then I joined Credit Vidya. But I was very clear that I want to come back, build a great startup. So whatever money I was saving, I started parking that money in my father's business. My father has a small manufacturing business, and he had a bank loan about 12%. So he said, I'll give you 11%, and for me it was a sweet deal. I said, okay, great, fix है, liquid है, घर का पैसा है, कहीं जा नहीं रहा. And I moved on, and at Credit Vidya and then at MSwipe where I was working, there used to be always discussion among colleagues कि कहाँ पैसा डालना है, where should we put money, ये stock भागने वाला है, ये mutual fund, ये sector, ये वो. And I used to keep quiet, and people used to ask me कि what do you do with your money, and I used to funnily say मैं तो बापू के धंधे में डाल के बैठा हूँ. And people used to like it. A colleague at MSwipe once said, यार even I want to invest in this, and how can I invest? So I said, okay, you give me the money. So immediately transferred 20,000 to me through Google Pay. Like, that got me curious, saying why are people so interested in this? And then I started looking into equity mutual funds and different investing options. Realize even equity mutual fund on a long term give 10-12% return, at least in large cap. And people want something that gives them a fixed return, guaranteed return is kind of a huge obsession in India. Higher return than FD, but is not as risky or as volatile as equities. So people were looking for such asset class, and that's when we came across that opportunity. We started working more, digging more and more. And that led to birth of Wintwell. Co-founder level, it was very clear, like, it is a marriage, so you want someone you trust, and obviously who come along with extraordinary skill of delivering things. So Abhik was my classmate from IIT. He was also my co-founder in last startup. So it was pretty clear that I wanted Abhik on board.
When we started, there were 2 of us, then 2 co-founders came, then couple of team members came. Now we are a team of more than 40.
Shashank was working closely with Abhik in Shop 101. He was mobile lead there. And I had been talking to Shashank for 3-4 years. And Shashank was very excited by the kind of problem statement we are solving, because he himself is likes to invest in new asset classes.
So initially, to be honest, I was not ready. To be honest, Abhik was the one who kind of gave me the confidence that, there will never come a time where you will be completely ready. You have to, plunge into it. And so a lot of learning in a compressed time frame.
We wanted someone who has command over asset side, like getting those right assets for retail investor. So I knew Anshul. And Anshul and I had spoken many times.
Ajinkya was also working on similar lines, make a lot of these products which were available to HNIs, etc., available to retail investors at a smaller ticket size. That's where both of us started discussing. Obviously, Abhik and Shashu were also there.
Fundamentally, what I want to change in the ecosystem is the minor things, the way we talk about risks, the way we sell investment products. If you are an investment product company, build a pull product, not a push product, right? And that is what I want that change to happen in the ecosystem.
So I just joined like 1 week ago, so I'm pretty new to the space. And before joining, I actually didn't know anything about investments and debt market. So I'm here to make videos basically for Wintwell. But one thing I've learned in the past 1 week is a lot about investments and stuff. So now I feel like I'm trained enough to go at parties and like be that investment guy, and basically that's pretty cool.
Well, I love the fact that I can be a developer, a product manager, and make YouTube videos on the side. I mean, this level of flexibility is something that I have not really seen in my previous jobs. So that's pretty cool, right?
Frankness, the coolness with which everyone has here, and the no hierarchy structure.
Just yesterday, we spread a rumor about one of our colleagues that he got engaged.
Then everyone was just congratulating me. Then I had to explain everyone that no, it's not, it's just a rumor, it's just a prank.
One of my colleagues was sitting beside me, and he suddenly shouted, "Present, sir." I was like, what? So he's basically interning with us, and he has to attend his college lectures online.
Like, learning is immense, so I can discuss even the slightest little points, and they'll be very open to discuss and tell me where I'm wrong or where I can, improve.
I can also get feedback of what I'm working at, and I can also provide my unfiltered feedback to anyone who's working on anything.
Every weekend we go out, we play a lot, we have so much fun that it creates a lot of bond between us, and in turn it becomes our second family.
Also, there's free lunch, guys. We stay away from our families, but the culture in the team makes us miss our families a little less. It's just great to be around the people here at Win12.
In terms of the team members that I want to work with, there is only one trait that comes to my mind. It is winning mentality. If you are a whiner and not a winner, you don't have a place here.
It's a great journey, humbling, and working with especially the team that we have built, something that we are very proud of.
If you are killing it at the professional space and you think you have it in you to work for Win12, then hit us up on careers@win12.com and we'll reach out to you.